Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice on the stove top. First, gather your ingredients and equipment for perfect results. A good, heavy-bottomed pot with a tight lid is essential for even cooking. Next, measure out 1 cup of white rice. It's important to rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch for fluffier grains. Finally, remember the key ratio: 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Now that your rice is rinsed and measured, combine it with the water in your chosen pot. Place the pot on the stove over medium-high heat and bring the water to a gentle boil. You can also add a small pinch of salt for flavor at this stage. Once it reaches a boil, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot with its tight-fitting lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for about 13 to 18 minutes. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these cooking tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And speaking of keeping things tidy, cooking can sometimes get a little messy, right? Why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. You can find a link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's crucial to resist the urge to peek or stir the rice while it's simmering. Lifting the lid releases steam, which is vital for proper cooking. Once the simmering time is complete, turn off the heat but leave the pot on the burner. Keep the lid firmly in place and let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the rice to fully absorb any remaining moisture, ensuring a perfectly fluffy texture. Once the 10-minute resting period is over, you can finally remove the lid. You'll see beautifully cooked rice. Now, take a fork and gently fluff the rice, separating the grains. This helps release any remaining steam and ensures a light, airy texture. Your perfectly cooked, fluffy rice is now ready to be served. Enjoy it as a versatile side dish with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.